How to buy yellow cat token. So this token came under the symbol of cat. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just go below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on COINEX. Now, to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Avalanche network. Now open your wallet. For that, I will use the BitKet wallet. Select the Avalanche from here as a network, as you can see. So select it. Now click on this plus icon, paste the token address here to add it to your wallet. So click on this plus icon, go back to your wallet and find the token. As you can see, this is it. Now click on it. So after that, click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with. For example, I will use the USDT, but make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now after that, check how much you want to buy. So after a while, as you can see, this is how much you receive that token. So after that, it is simple. Click on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy cat token. If you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.